Supplier's inventory check, ensuring accuracy to the source. This is where they verify that the correct items and quantities are available and ready to be loaded. Let's see why this initial check is so important.
Hello? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Order is for delivery. Okay, I will wait for a few minutes. Pwede nyo lang kulit ang stock card.
Delivery process. With the order supposedly verified, the next step is delivery, the journey of the goods from supplier to receiver, which present its own set of challenges and considerations. Let's consider what happens during this often overlooked phase. The receiving process. With the purchase order in hand, the next critical step is the receiving process.
Buti ma'am, ito na po yung order nyo. Welcome ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ito na po yung order. Okay. Kunin nyo lang order ko lang sa loob. Okay, ma'am.
The inventory check. To ensure accuracy and prevent surprises, the receiving process is followed by an inventory check. Think of this as a vital cross-validation step.
Okay, 20 pesos na lang. $20 of cabbage. Check. Teka, bakit kulang dalawa?
Ha? Bakit?
Iwan ko.
Teka lang.
Excuse me, ma'am. So, na-check na po namin lahat ang orders natin. 20 pesos of cabbage, kompleto po. 20 pesos of melon, kompleto po. Kaso lang, sa squash, kulang po ng dalawa.
Teka lang, tatawagan ko yung supplier.
Okay, ma'am.
Communication. When discrepancies arise, clear and timely communication is paramount. Watch how Eros Catering navigates this critical step to resolve the issue with the missing squash.
Good morning, ma'am. So, na-receive na po namin lahat ng order, ma'am. Kompleto po yung melon, kompleto din po yung cabbage. Kaso nga lang, kulang po ng dalawa ang squash. So, instead po na 20 pieces, 18 po yung ma-receive namin.
Good morning, ma'am. Ganun po ba, ma'am? Pero before po namin pinadeliver ay okay naman lahat. Hindi ko po alam kung saan nagkulang pero gagawan po natin yan ng paraan. At baka gusto niyo po, ma'am, ay bigyan ko na lang po kayo ng discount.
Ay, hindi po. Kasi kailangan po namin lahat ay kompleto.
Sige po, ma'am. Kakausapin ko na lang po ang mga nag-deliver.
The supplier's post-delivery verification. This time, the focus is on investigating what went wrong. Let's see how supplier responds.
Halina muna kayong tatlo.
Bakit ma'am? Ano po problema?
Tumawag sa akin yung manager ng Eras Catering. May kulang daw sa order nila. So baka nagka-problema sa pag-deliver nila.
Hindi po ma'am, ayos po na pagka-deliver namin yun. Baka sa inventory checker po yun.
Ganun ba? Sige, kakausapin ko muna ang mga inventory checks. Siguro mo ba na kompleto lahat ng order ng diniliver natin kanina?
Opo, ma'am. Ay, oo nga pala, ma'am. Nakalimutan kong ibalik yung dalawa kasi inayos ko sila.
Ay, hello, ma'am.
Hello?
Nandito lang pala yung dalawang squash. Nakalimutang ibalik kasi inayos kanina.
Sige, pag-deliver na lang po as soon as possible kasi kailangan.
Suppliers relieved and apologetic assured Eros Catering that the squash was being rerouted immediately and would arrive with hours to spare. The incident served as a tangible reminder that even with best intentions, mistakes can happen. The key is to have robust systems in place to quickly identify and rectify those errors, minimizing disruptions and ensuring customers' satisfaction.
Ay, hindi po ma'am. Ayos po na pagka-deliver. Ay,